Hello guys, so I'm going to show you how we are going to add pppoe users into our Lipanet system. This is a tutorial that many of you have asked for it, so I'm going to show you how it's done, how you'll be able to add and activate your pppoe users. So the first thing, we should have our router. After the router, before adding the pppoe client or plan, we need to have an IP pool. So this IP pool, let me just call it my pppoe, pool, and then I'll just give it this IP 192.168.12.1 with a prefix of 24, that is 254 IPs. Then I will just come and click add pool. So the system will add the pool inside your system and inside your MikroTik. So after adding the pool, the next thing we come is to the pppoe plans. On the pppoe plans, let's call this bronze package. It's just for testing. Then click the IP pool. Then we can come to validity. Most of them is 1 month. Then the price, maybe say 2,000 shillings. The mbps is maybe 10 mbps, just like that. You can decide to enable burst, but at this case we are not using burst. So I click create plan, and automatically the system will add my plan here. You can see here, and it says no burst, so you can decide to activate or deactivate. The deactivation feature will be much useful for those who have the customer self portal, which is coming very soon in Lipanet. So the next thing, we just come to users, pppoe users, and then click add user. Pppoe connection, we take our router, the plan we just created, and then we can decide to add the account credentials. So I'm going to teach you something here. When generating accounts, without the account prefix, the account number looks like this. But when you come here and say account prefix, maybe ACC, like that, and click save settings, then come here and click generate, you can see it start ACC 001, so it will go 002, like that. Then you can see we have also the part to generate the password. This is the pppoe username and password. Let's say the name of the customer, we call the customer Lipanet, and then we just put the phone number. Now this is pay attention to this part. So this is the part where you can decide to activate your customer. When I click I'll activate, immediately the system will automatically grant the internet to the customer. So I'll just come, yes, activate immediately, then click add customer. So it will just load while adding the customer, then your customer will be added successfully just with no time. And you can see the customer status is active. You can see the transaction was made and it was auto activated. The invoice was paid. You can see the invoice was paid. So that is how you can add and manage your pppoe customers. Now when it's come to renewal, I'm assuming that this, for people who doesn't have the pay bill, the automatic pay bill from Safaricom, when it comes to renewal, you will just come here and add payment. Then you'll decide to add payment according to the package. So this time you come cash and then say for renewal. In this instance, I just write for renewal. Then when I click add payment, it will process and you'll see the account balance is 200 shillings. So 2000 shillings, I'm sorry. So the system will come and auto renew this once the package has expired. But again, don't add balance if the customer hasn't sent you money, because they will go and get access to the internet. So that is how simple it is, adding your customers to Lipanet. Yes, and feel very much welcome.